and you were one of the first people to do these things.
Plus it's a community effort, and so we're part of the community, so we want to support keeping our waterways clear.
I'm here to celebrate. This is a very auspicious occasion when you can actually get a nature preserve right in the middle of a community. That's important.
So anyway, on 3 we're going to give a big howl, and it's in celebration of Verde Valley, the Verde Village Property Owners Association Nature Preserve. 1, 2, 3. If you wish to take a walk and take a look, and just take a few minutes down there. It's an easy walk and it's just beautiful. It's a gorgeous evening.
But what we did here, basically, this area, it was a dumping ground. A lot of trash got hauled out of this area to clean it up, and that was sort of the first phase.